My name is Daniel Lamoureux, and I'm part of the recruitment team here at the University of Illinois, Chicago. We are very excited to welcome you to campus on Saturday, September 21st for our annual Open House. Open House is our biggest event of the year and features a variety of activities, including a resource fair, workshops, and info sessions hosted by academic programs and student support units. We recognize that our students have their own unique interests and needs, so for this event, you will get to design your own personalized visit experience. When you get to campus, you will receive an event guide that details all of the day's planned activities. But we recommend that you plan your day ahead of time with our Open House Agenda Builder. The Agenda Builder can be found at openhouse.uic.edu. While this step is not required, it can help you stay organized as you select the sessions and the opportunities that best fit your needs and schedule. Once you are on the website, log in with the email address you used to register for Open House. Then, click the Sessions tab at the top of the page. Now you will be able to browse through all of the planned event sessions. To add a session to your schedule, simply click on the session card, review the details on the next page, select your preferred time slot, and hit the Close button. You also have the option to search for sessions that are offered by a specific academic program. In the Agenda Builder, click the View by College tab, or use the search bar to look up a specific program or major. As you review your schedule, remember, some sessions are scheduled for specific times, while others are drop-in events that you can visit at any point during the posted hours. To review your personalized schedule, just click the My Agenda tab at the top of the page. Now you can review or change your list of events. To remove an item from your schedule, simply click it, and then click the button that says Delete from Agenda. If you would like to save a copy of your schedule, click the red button that says Download Agenda. You can now save your schedule as a PDF or print out a hard copy. Now let's talk about the event guide that you will receive when you get to campus. You will notice in the table of contents that programming is categorized into various disciplines based on the student's planned area of study. Each section includes a brief description of sessions hosted by different academic programs, as well as the planned location and time. At the end of each section is a campus map showing where you can find a specific building or room number for any of your planned sessions. For example, for students interested in health sciences and policy, you will see a brief description of all sessions in this category. Each session is assigned a number code, which you can match to the designated building on the campus map where you will find the session being hosted. For students who are unsure which programs they might be interested in studying, that's okay. You will find a section for students who may be undecided at the time they apply to UIC. We hope that programs like Open House will help students narrow down their eventual focus or discipline. During the event, if you have some general questions about UIC, such as how to apply, or if you find yourself with some downtime between sessions, or if you need help finding your next session, you'll want to visit the UIC Expo. The Expo will run for the entire duration of the Open House, and you can think of it as a college fair exclusively for UIC programming. The table locations for Expo participants are divided into 3 distinct color categories, as shown on the Expo map. You can use the color coding to find specific tables on campus. Pro tip: if you post on social media using the hashtag UICOH, you'll be eligible for some freebies at Table 46 at the Expo. Be sure to check it out, especially if you plan to participate in any campus or housing tours, as Table 46 is conveniently located near the tour hub. We hope this overview has given you an idea of what to expect when you arrive on campus for Open House. Please connect with us if you need any clarification leading up to the event or if you have any questions. We cannot wait to welcome you on Saturday, September 21st. Take care.